Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Soraka. My name is Al. I live in Broussard, Louisiana. I am a Navy veteran and I do know the importance of knowing your rights. Even when you're on your property, as you can see in the videos that I released, on my property, no crime, still rights were violated, asking for ID because the feelings were hurt. That's not how the law works. But let's just get going. And from the onset, to let you know, I am not anti-police. I am anti-bad police. Police have a big duty, an important duty to protect and serve. At the same time, they should treat citizens with respect and don't violate rights. Stop trying to fish. Stop trying to always think someone is doing something wrong just because you have a badge. Stop abusing that badge, point blank. It took me about 5 months to get those videos, and that's why it's taking me some time to introduce myself because I didn't want to make it about me. Found some pretty interesting things since then. Want to share with you that I'm in litigation trying to get this police officer's records. He's listed on the Broussard PD as a sergeant, which is not true. He is actually a lower rank. He is a corporal. Don't know why. So that's why I'm in the process of getting, trying to access his records. But having a little pushback. Don't know why. Or I wonder why. A police officer is a public official. Every public official, police officer, mayor, president, senator, they are public officials. You as a citizen have the right to access their personnel records, nothing personal like medical or anything like that, or pending investigations, but anything in their capacity as a public official. What's so hard about that? So right now I'm going up against the legal system. Judges are in their pockets. They all work together, but knowing your rights and exercising your rights is what I'm all about. This page is about transparency, accountability, and holding public officials to the higher standards. That's why, because they work for the public. Me and you are the public. So buckle up, get ready. This is Soraka. Also, I do have another video coming out pretty soon. I had an interaction with the police chief, and you will see why things happen on my property as they did. Most often, officers take their cue from the leader, and the police chief is their leader. So stay tuned for that video. It should be coming out shortly. Please like, subscribe, and share, and let's get going.